guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna make an easy and quick recipe with 3 ingredients. And today I'm gonna make a barfi, means coconut barfi, coconut kalakand. So let's get started. So before starting we have to say the ingredients. This is coconut, half coconut we'll take, 1 carrot, then 200 grams of sugar. These 3 ingredients we all want. So let's get started. So now our pan is heated now. So now we're gonna add our 1 carrot, which we cutted or grated. Now you just toast the carrot. Also there should be you did by not adding any ghee or oil. And we want to remove the water from the carrot. And also it should be not stick by 2. So now we can take the carrot into a bowl. So now we're gonna add our ghee, 2 tablespoons. So now we're gonna add our coconut, 1/2. Now just roast the coconut. The smell of this coconut is amazing. So this is roasting now. Now we add on the sugar, 200 grams. Now the sugar should be dissolved from the coconut, so that. So our sugar is dissolved now. Now we're gonna add our toasted 1 carrot. See how it's colorful. Wow, super. Now mix it well. So you off the gas now, and this is ready. So now we're gonna take this mixture into a bowl. So now we can add this mixture into our tray. If you don't have a tray, you can even take a flat bowl. So now we're gonna press it with a spoon, a small spoon. Press your sides and all. So now we're gonna cut this with a knife. We are cutting it because while keeping it in the fridge, while first we have to keep it at room temperature and we will keep it in the fridge. So while we keep it in the fridge, because of the cooling, the can be so. We can't cut that, so I'm gonna cut now. So it will be not some time in room temperature. Now we're gonna keep in the fridge. There it is. So kalakands are ready. So before we keep it in the fridge, we already cut it. So the cutting is so much easy. We got one. So now I'm going to taste this. Super. This is fantastic, and coconut and the ghee is most important thing for this dish. The coconut, ghee, carrot. So good. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.